Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget exchange to Telegram wallet. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Bitget application. Once you have logged into your Bitget exchange, after that you just need to tap on the assets tab at the bottom right corner, and at the top you will find spot. Simply tap on spot, and here you will find the withdraw section. Simply tap on withdraw. Here you need to select the USDT tether. In the search bar, search for USDT and select USDT tether. Now you just need to select the withdrawal type, which is on-chain withdrawal. Click on on-chain withdrawal. After that, on this window here you will need to enter the withdrawal address, the selection of withdrawal network, at the end the withdrawal amount of USDT you want to transfer into your Telegram wallet. Now first thing, you just need to select your withdrawal network, which is Tone network, because Telegram wallet supports Tone. Simply tap on Tone network. After that, in order to get your withdrawal address, you just need to minimize your Bitget exchange and open your Telegram. After opening your Telegram application, simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner and you will find wallet. Simply tap on wallet. Now from here, what you can do is to simply tap on the add crypto button from here. Now you will get your Telegram wallet USDT address from here. In my case, it's not showing because I have not doing any KYC in my Telegram wallet, but you will get your USDT Tone network wallet address from here. You just need to copy your USDT Tone wallet address from here and simply minimize this and reopen your Bitget application again. So you just need to paste that address here, and after that you just need to paste the memo tag also. You will get this memo tag also from here. After getting both of these addresses from Telegram wallet, you just need to paste these details in this section, and after that enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer it into Telegram wallet. After finishing all these details, click on the withdraw at the bottom right corner and make sure you have to pay this 0.15 USDT network fee. After tapping on withdraw, it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes in order to transfer your USDT assets into Telegram wallet. After that, your assets will be successfully transferred into your Telegram. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer USDT from Bitget exchange to Telegram wallet. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.